हेलो मैं से सुन रामकृष्ण. So here 1% all that. Sunil basically we know this everything basically. So that person you can see basically. Sunil told that yes basically I can see that person. That person is a new Gujarat basically. And this Gujarat basically will end one day basically and going to dump into sea water. Going to dump into sea water basically. So 1% all that. Like this also basically things are there that this Gujarat basically which you can say that is going to become base basically of that new Gujarat. Same way basically this Gujarat basically is getting power supply from that ended land also. That is basically the base of Gujarat basically. So 1% all that. Base is always there basically. Mark my words basically. Base is always there. One person basically has done the study. He completed BCom, he completed MCom. So what is his base basically? It's BCom background basically. So base is what? BCom basically. He done the computer education also. So base has become converted into computer also. So like this basically things are there. That's basically a simple example basically we are taking. So here one person told that we are totally confused basically. How the entire creation basically is done basically. Because this land data which is getting dumped into the land, power supply basically which is getting to the world. So here one person literally confused and asked the question. So Sunil basically you want to say that basically the whatever power supply which we are getting that is coming from human body itself.